In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Shopify buy button not showing up. If your Shopify buy button is not appearing on a product page, the fix is usually very simple and can be done directly in your theme editor. I will walk you through the exact settings to check so you can make sure the button is enabled and visible to your customers. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, go to Online Store, then select Themes. On your current theme, click Customize. This will open the theme editor where you can manage how different parts of your store appear on the front end. Once you are inside the editor, use the top drop-down menu to navigate to a product page. This part is important because the buy button settings need to be adjusted within the product page template. If you are viewing a different page type, you may not see the correct options in the sidebar. After switching to a product page, look over to the left sidebar and find the section labeled Buy Buttons. Click on that block to open its settings. This is where Shopify controls the main purchase button area for that product layout. Inside the Buy Button settings, look for the option called Show Dynamic Checkout Buttons. This setting controls the Buy It Now button that appears along with the standard Add to Cart option. If this box is unchecked, the button will not show up on your product page. Go ahead and check that box to enable it. Once you have turned that setting on, click Save. Saving is important because your changes will not appear live on the store until they are published through the theme editor. After saving, it is a good idea to preview the product page and confirm that the Buy It Now button is now visible. If you are still not seeing it, make sure you are editing the correct product template in the theme customizer, since some themes use different templates for different products. Also make sure you are checking the Buy Buttons block specifically, because that is where the dynamic checkout option is controlled. In most cases, enabling that single setting is all it takes to fix the issue and restore the missing Shopify buy button on your product page. That covers everything you need to know.